Dreame Technology launched the flagship machine, which is the name, DreameBot W20 Pro Ultra. The machine equipped with the LDS laser sensor, unline laser sensor, short press to spot clean, power button, long press to switch on, recharge button, short press to recharge, line laser sensors, combined with LDS laser sensor. It is the most effective obstacle avoidance solution for all of robot vacuums. The charger connector. Activated carbon filter. Add activated carbon as filter material. Compared with other materials, it has a better filtration effect. Easy to clean and replace. Universal wheel. Cliff sensors. The sensor can detect when the device is too close to a gap or stairs, which will help to make sure that the device does not drop down. The side brush. Robust TPU material with flexible nylon bristles ensure effective cleaning for crevice dirt. The driving wheel. The brush cover. Detachable V-shaped bristles roller. Nylon microfiber floating main brush head. Makes it easier to effectively remove dirt, dust, and trash in corners and edges. Washable cleaning mop cloths. Dense granular fabric ensure robust scrubbing to get rid of stubborn stains. The base station also upgraded entirety. The dust collection, just need 10 seconds. With the 3.2 liter dust bag, the dust collection capacity is even greater. So you don't have to empty the dust bag within 75 days. .5 liter sewage tank. .3 liter clean water tank. Dreame W20 Pro Ultra, the best cleaning expert for your home.